Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs. Hey, I paint monsters for a living. Come on with me. Good morning, my people. Today is super fan suits, morph suits, whatever we got. It's all the same. We're throwing down. Gotta sit there and make one that looked like a spider clown, and another one with some creepy stuff on the back so a person can hide in the corner in the 3D mazes. So 2 are going to Texas, and 1's going to Iowa. So let's get those bad boys going. Enjoy the time lapse, and hey, stay to the end of the video for the finished product. Thanks for coming on board, people. Like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.